I heard a big boom, and the Rheem air conditioner sounds sus. And there's cool air coming from here. And it's like 71 degrees right now. And it should be warm air. It's as if this were a heat pump. I'm pretty sure it's a normal air conditioner. However, I don't think that's... However, the Rheem might not be it. It might have been from the roof. Because it was simultaneously turning on and off. A little bit ago. I don't know. I'd have to check it from the other side. Now I'm gonna go check on the road. That's the road. I don't really see anything odd. Yeah, I don't know. And I actually have no idea. I don't know if anything's wrong with the road either. I think I know a place where I could get a good view. Also without having to be crammed in. Without it being kind of difficult to go through a gate. Nothing wrong with rude photos either, it seems like. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I don't see anything odd in there. Maybe I'll see even better if I open the window. Despite the fact that there were a bunch of plants here. Yeah. Don't see anything wrong with that. I'd probably have to turn the rood on to see if there's anything wrong with it. Now I'm gonna check the Rheem furnace. Here's the furnace. This is not the Rheem furnace either. And the Rheem turned off. Can't turn back on. Might sound normal. I don't know if the compressor's on now. I can barely even hear the compressor. That's just weird.